Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So in this video, I'm just going to break down a new announcement made by the AWS team. That is, they would be sending out the utilization notifications for the EC2 on-demand capacity reservations. So basically, on-demand capacity reservations are a feature offered by AWS that allow you to reserve computing resources in advance for when you know you need them, like during a sale or a special event. So you might need an extra resource or extra computing resource. In that situation, what you can do, you can reserve it in the before itself, before in hand. So this way you can guarantee that you have the resources you need when you need them without having to pay for them when you don't, right? So it's like making a reservation at a restaurant for a big group, but for computing resources, right? So what is the recent change that they have made is, let's say this post was recently released on 3rd of April 2023. So all credits to the AWS team. I'll make sure to provide the link to this in the description box below. Check out that if you're interested. So starting from April 3rd, you will receive notification for your on-demand capacity reservations that are utilizing less than 20% of your EC2 instances reservation. Let's say you have bought some EC2 instances beforehand. Let's say those instances are underutilized as in less than 20% of the EC2 instances are being used. In that situation, what they will do is they are going to send an alert to your AWS Health Dashboard, CloudWatch event, and email without any action required from your side at no additional cost, which is very important, right? So if you ask me, where is this AWS Health Dashboard? Let's go to the AWS Management Console. You come down here, you see this AWS Health. I think this is where you will be getting all the open issues and all the schedule changes, other notifications. I believe here is where they are going to send you that information, right? So you can find this AWS Health in your AWS Management Console in the very first page, right? So that is where you're going to get the notifications, and you'll be if you want to act on it, you can take necessary actions. So capacity reservations lets you to reserve EC2 capacity for any duration, right? So once you create a capacity reservation, the EC2 capacity is held for you regardless you use it or not, right? So once you sign up for this, even if you're not using it, you will be billed, right? So for that, what they're doing, if you're not using it, if your usage is less than 20%, they're going to send you a notification. So by using this notification, you can track utilization and ensure that you are using your desired number of instances across all your capacity reservation, right? So this feature is available in all the AWS region. So, and you can expect other than the government AWS regions, you can check out how to use utilization notifications for your capacity reservation more here in this link, right? So if you want, you can go ahead and give it a read. So I'll make sure to drop all the links to this in the description box below. If you find it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.